This is a simple drone prototype that I built using PX4 autopilot software and YOLO model plus a drone camera that could do simple trash detection. This short demonstration shows how the system works. The camera sends an RTSP video stream to my laptop, where the video is processed by an AI detection model that I trained with the help of codecs. The final detection results are then displayed on this website. Although this is just a very simple prototype at first, my long-term vision for this project is to create a fully automatic AI-powered multi-vehicle system that could help monitor and maintain outdoor environment. And the use of drone in this scenario is to detect problem of lawn maintenance. For example, if there's trash on it, or for example, if the grass is unhealthy, then it sends a map or other information to a system which we could help to solve these problems. In this video, I'm going to quickly and effectively explain how I built this drone and what I did, how I learned more about PX4, and I'm going to share it with you guys. Starting from the hardware, from my perspective, the hardware is really not relatively hard. I bought the carbon fiber body online, not designed by myself, and all of these modules are all add up together, including the video transmitter, VTX receiver, drone camera, flight controls, and the 4-rotor and propeller. I'll list all of these modules, including the price and how I bought it in this graph. I also learned much more about PX4, get familiar with ground controls, and more open source autopilot systems such as autopilots, which I believe that all of these new knowledge can help me somehow in future designs and upgrade of this drone. Well, I think the most challenging part would be training a models and then to really use it by the RTSP stream. Well, I use this codecs to train the model, which really helps a lot, but it's still really complicated. But fortunately, I find a lot of open source pictures online that were taken by drones for trash on the ground, which really helps a lot for training this models and to use it in reality. In addition, it also burns a lot of my token in codecs, and it also takes a lot of my space, like storage space in my computer, about 90 gigabytes. In addition, PX4 and ground control also had ability to auto move to a point that you navigate and you send to the systems, which I think this could perhaps helps for future use. If I want to set a specific area and I want the drone to detect trash in this specific area, it might help a lot. Well, this is all for this videos. This project really gave me a better understanding of drone systems, computer vision, and model trainings, which I think there's still a lot of things to improve on, and I believe that I could upgrade the drone to a better version to make it much more smarter, to really empower AI controls and stuffs, and I would really like to share more process on YouTube.